The Philippine Coast Guard, or PCG, wants fisher folk in the West Philippine Sea to not only be protected from the constant harassment from Chinese vessels, but also have something to smile about this Yuletide season. Vel Custodio tells us more.
Junjun is from Negros Oriental, but he chooses to fish in the West Philippine Sea. According to him, fish catch is more abundant in the West Philippine Sea. However, the catch has been dwindling when Chinese ships came around.
Kagaya nakaraan, ma'am, yung pagpasok pa lang namin dito sa area na ito, hinaharang na kami agad.
Madalas po ba yun? Naharang kayo?
Madalas. Nagalipat kami ng iba-ibang namin, makuha namin ng isda. Yun din. Hinaharas din kami po. Tapos ginababaan pa kami ng mga ng rib nila. Ginapalis kami, ginapawi kami.
It used to be they could fish in Sabina Shoal, but now it is dangerous for the fishermen to sail there or in the area.
Minsan po, 3, 2, ganyan. Minsan po, may pa. Yan, Chinese Navy na gaano sa amin. Nagharang.
Meanwhile, Arnel has been fishing in the West Philippine Sea for more than a decade, and he has witnessed the change from plenty to paltry fish catch there.
Sir, malaya kami makapag-isa dito kasi walang may nag-aabang. Dati pero ngayon, masyadong mahirap lang, mahigpit lang.
Because of the presence of the Philippine Coast Guard, Filipino fishermen have more freedom to fish in the inaccessible area of the West Philippine Sea since the Chinese ships came around.
Malaking tulong po sa amin, kagaya ngayon, kung papasok kami ng ibang area naman, na may kasamang Philippine Coast Guard, makakapasok kami. Kasi ginaanuhan man kami, ginaalalayan, para makapasok kami sa area namin, para makapangawin kami na maganda.
For the Philippine Coast Guard, sa pag-uutos po ng ating pong Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at ng ating pong Commandant Admiral Ronnie Hilgavan, ay sinisigurado po natin na despite of our limited number of Coast Guard vessels, sa mga pagkakataon po na kailangan ng ating mga ng Pilipino, ng presensya ng Philippine Coast Guard or ng Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources at ng Armed Forces sa Philippines, makakaasa po kayo na tutulungan po namin na gagawin po namin ang lahat ng aming makakaya to ensure ang ating pumayang mga mangingisdang Pilipino ay malayang makakapangista at atin po matutulungan to counter the harassment of the Chinese government. Ito po ang direksyon ng ating National Task Force West Philippine Sea to encourage more Filipino fishermen na mangisda sa West Philippine Sea dahil ang yaman po nito sa West Philippine Sea ay para po sa Pilipinas.
With the month of December just begun, the Philippine Coast Guard handed out early Christmas grocery packs to Filipino fishermen.
Ang intention ni Commandant, every time we patrol sa West Philippine Sea, not just in Luzon Reef but even in Bajo de Masinloc, ay dahil papalapit na ang Pasko, ay magkaroon ng mga gift packs, grocery items. At least makapagbigay tayo ng saya sa mga mangingisdang Pilipino.
Salamat po kami kay President Bongbong Marcos at sa Philippine Coast Guard na bigay ng tulong at suporta sa aming mangingisda. Merry Christmas!
Vel Custodio from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.